Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Quit India movement. It was organized between August and December of 1942. Historians call this as August Kranti or August Revolution. The slogan was Quit India or Bharat Chodo. It was the last movement taken up by Gandhi and Congress leaders. The mantra given by Gandhi is do or die. Now let us see the causes of Quit India movement. All the causes are connected to Second World War directly or indirectly. They are fear of Japanese aggression, that is, Japan has dropped bombs on Vizag and had sent clear signals that they would attack India. Next, wartime miseries like inflation, shortage of food and commodities. Also, food grains are supplied to Allied forces from India. And the immediate reason was the failure of Cripps mission. Prime Minister Winston Churchill sent Sir Stafford Cripps seeking the assistance of India in World War II with two proposals. They are Dominion status after the war and Constituent Assembly shall be created. Both the Congress Party and Mahatma Gandhi rejected it. Mahatma Gandhi refused these proposals by describing them as post-dated check drawn on a crashing bank. Now let us see the course of the movement. On 8th August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi has launched this movement from Bombay. But the very next day, the movement was leaderless and directionless. Everyone, including Gandhi, were imprisoned on 9th August 1942 and sent to secret places. So, the people have taken the leadership themselves, particularly students and youth. They burned the police stations and destroyed the railway stations. Viceroy Linlithgow, in a letter addressed to Churchill, said that it is the most dangerous since 1857. Later, Mahatma Gandhi was traced in Pune, but he refused to suspend the movement. The main features of this revolution are: 1. It is spontaneous outbreak without no planning. 2nd, it is the violent movement. And the 3rd is it was leaderless masses that organized this movement. In this movement, women played an important role. Like Usha Mehta started an illegal radio station in Bombay in a secret place. Next, Aruna Asaf Ali. Historians had said that Queen of 1857 revolt was Jhansi Lakshmibai, but Queen of 1942 revolt is Aruna Asaf Ali. Next, communists opposed Quit India movement and supported British at the instruction of their master USSR. By December 1942, British had suppressed this movement with iron hand. Now let us see a question based on this. Quit India movement was launched in response to A. Cabinet Mission Plan, B. Cripps Proposals, C. Simon Commission Report, D. Wavell Plan. The answer is Cripps Proposals, because the failure of Cripps Mission was the immediate reason for Quit India movement. Thank you.